What do you want? Want some treats? Okay, go to your cupboard. Go to your cupboard if you want some. Come on. You know where it is. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Show me. Come on.